Hey, what's going on, guys? New angle with the camera today. We're using Makai from Crowne and Crane. This is Ahuadizio, their interpretation. So, yeah. Smells very, very nice. As you can see, I've taken about a quarter chunk off of the sample. Kind of smushed it into the bowl here. And we're using the 24 millimeters Manchurian silver tip from QED Select. I haven't used this brush in a little while, a couple weeks maybe. So let's go ahead and start lathering up. Hope everyone's doing well. I haven't shaved in several days, maybe three days, going on 4. So yeah, goatee's past the itchy stage, which is always nice. But yeah, I don't know, man. I'm getting a lot of grays, so up here and in here. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's a lot of gray in my beard, more so on my left side. But it comes with age, right? So yeah, Crowne and Crane. I think Crowne and Crane is very underrated. Really, really enjoy their base. They have some amazing scents. So, to each their own. But I really do enjoy Crowne and Crane. I've never had an issue with them. Deep Ellum is also, look at that. Deep Ellum is also a very, very nice scent. Northwoods, which is what I'll call their Christmas scent. Just what I deem as their Christmas scent, because, where are my towels? Because it's like fur and, kind of like pine needle type scent. Lovely scent. We're going to use the Philharmonica. I haven't used this in maybe a year. It's the Baby Philly, so we'll use that puppy. Yeah, so let's begin lathering. I do have some pre-shave on the face. Oh yeah, scent on this is great. I don't know that I have. I don't know that I've ever smelled. I know I don't have it. I don't know that I've ever smelled this perfume or cologne rather. So I don't know the comparison, but what I can tell you is that the scent on this is superb. So this is one that I would definitely pick up if I didn't have a million soaps already and I was looking for a good smelling soap. I would say this is probably, this is all 4 seasons of the year. It's not super heavy, but it's not super light either, but it's a very, very good mid-range. Just put some water in the brush here. Just a beautiful scent. All right. Takes very little time to lather. Very, very nice. Yeah, lovely scent. I wanted to show something else real quick. Spencer and his dad, Steve, Shaving Storage Solutions, I think is the, I should have written it down, but I think Shaving Storage Solutions or Wet Shaving Storage Solutions. I'll make sure to put it in the description on their Instagram. But they sent some prototypes, and they're basically like razor stands. So they work very good. I'll go ahead and throw in some pictures here. Yeah, so razor stands, I think they'll have different colors, that type of thing. Just pretty cool. And told them whenever they actually, like I said, these are prototypes. Whenever they actually start selling them, I told them to let me know, and I'll let you guys know where to purchase. All right. One thing I can already tell you on this. It needs to be honed. Like I said, I do not remember the last time I used this. But absolutely needs to be honed. It's cutting. It's taking the hair off, but it's not super comfortable. I know that. Gotta look at my notebook and see what, if I used tape or not. I'm pretty sure I did. So I can rehome it. But yeah, like I said, it is taking off the hair. It's just not comfortable. Which is why we use straight razors. For them being super comfortable and whatnot. Does feel good to get this growth off though. Yeah, very, very nice soap. Love the Crowne and Crane base. I did purchase these a while ago, so it's very possible that they've updated the base or whatever. I really don't know. But the base that these samples here are in are working perfectly fine. Wow, I missed a lot there. Not that I missed, but I think it was just skipping because it's not very efficient, that razor. Yep. So, oh, well, I'm recording this Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to everyone. And, you know, hope everyone had a great weekend. But, yeah, we've been super busy, kids soccer, and obviously, you know, this weekend, additional things for Father's Day. And so, just trying to stay busy, soap making, Splash, EDP. We have some big stuff coming out fairly soon. I don't want to give too much away, but some pretty cool stuff coming. And yeah, you know, should be a good time. You know, when I initially started, I did have a goal of next year being overseas, but you know, the more and more I'm looking at it, in all honesty, there's way too many restrictions, and you've got to send, well, there's just a lot of stuff you've got to do, especially with alcohol splashes and, you know, specific ingredients in the base. Although, you know, it's all organic, it's like you got to do this and that and the other, and possibly pay X amount per. Anyway, I'm not even. So more than likely, I won't be, unfortunately, expanding into now. Again, we're talking about my goal was for next year, 2024, to do that. Things may change. I don't know. As far as the regulation, I really don't anticipate that they will. But it might not be 2024. It might be 2025, you know, whatever. I just don't have, you know, I'm not a full-time soap maker, so I don't have all the extra time and resources to spend on doing everything that we need to get done to be overseas. So until I have enough time, then, you know, unfortunately we'll just have to, but I mean, you know, the razor company will ship overseas, you know, so. But at that point, you're talking about paying the additional shipping, which I know is not cheap. So it's just, it is what it is at the moment. We'll get there one day, I promise. I promise. But yeah, you know, I was very thankful that Spencer had, I didn't know what he was sending. He just, you know, asked for my address, and so he had, like I said, he had sent these, and I was talking to him about maybe creating like, maybe making this a little wider. You know, I'll put one of these pictures in there as well, where I had two razors standing next to each other. So maybe you have like a stand with, you know, two, or maybe even, maybe they could be custom, and, you know, you could tell them you want a stand that holds 10 or something, you know, and you can make that, and yeah, just fun little things. With this new camera height, I'll have to watch the video and see exactly, like, if I'm ducking around the camera to see, am I actually, you know, in the frame there. We'll do a little touch up on the corners, and that's it. Yeah, so, like I said, appreciate you guys all watching the videos. I know they're few and far between. I want to increase that number. I need to increase that number, but I have to put some other things on the back burner to do so, and yeah, this little filly is very good. It's like very agile, very easy to get in in specific angles that you want, no problems. All right, there we go. Put this to the side so I don't knock that over. Let's do a cold water rinse. Oh yeah, very nice. Goatee is going strong. Let's throw on some Thayers. I haven't used Thayers, and I've had this one maybe like 2020, 2021. It's been a while. Cucumber, right? Yeah, cucumber. There was a time where I would use, like I went through, you know, like 4 or 5 bottles in a year. I think that was probably like 2018, 2019 when I first started up Thayers, you know, and I swore by it. You know, I'd use it every video or almost every video, and I don't know. I don't know if my skin has just changed over time, or if I just don't see. I personally don't see any difference when I use it or don't use it. And so because of that, I just forget to use it because it's not on my mind. Let's throw on some, just use some of this splash here. Yeah, it's a Havana Nights. It's a Havana Nights splash. All right. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. Appreciate the orders. A lot of you guys have ordered over the past couple of weeks since we released 86. I think we have a couple left on the site, but I know the Razor Company has a couple as well. There is no inventory. I wish I could see like the inventory there. Not that it matters, but last check I did with them, it wasn't a whole lot left, but there is some left. All right, guys. I think that's it. I appreciate you stopping by. Like I said, the soap was Makai from Crowne and Crane. Excellent scent. I hope that's in focus. Was it in focus? Yeah, it was in focus. Okay. Yeah, but other than that, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll catch you next shave.